Hello everyone, and welcome back once more. We had a pretty exciting maiden flight this morning for a new airplane that Lewis has come out with, a Japanese Ki-43 Hayabusa. This is another of his 800 millimeter warbirds, and after a pretty thrilling launch, that was my fault. Everything went well. The thing flies absolutely great. The flight did not end well, however. I had a battery just launch itself out of the top of the hatch. So I'm going to change the hatch attachment in the next ones that I build. I'm going to put a pin in the front instead of a magnet. Evidently, the method that I use to keep the battery in the front end of the airplane is not working very well. I've lost two now because the battery launched itself right up through the hatch, breaking the magnetic attraction. So I'm going to go with a pin in the front this time and a magnet in the back and see what happens. But meanwhile, here's a very short flight video. Again, excellent flight characteristics. This has a lot of wing for an 800 millimeter warbird and flies quite well. So without further long-winded speeches, here we go. Thank you. Okay, got the video going. Let's see if we can maiden this thing. Wow.
Elevator trim. It was just going up. Now it needs more elevator.
1 minute.
So you need more elevator?
Yeah. Yeah, it'll fly now.
Huh?
It'll fly. I had it full down and it was still climbing until I changed that trim.
That's got a lot wider speed envelope than the little Fokker. How's it handling?
Okay, I just need more elevator.
Trim doing okay?
Yeah.
That was a crazy launch.
Like I said, I had full down and it was still climbing. Stick jammed all the way forward. I had to get my finger on the trim tab. Now I got full down trim. Ooh, that was a sloppy trim.
Looks like it slows down easily.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Well, guys, as you can imagine, any flight that ends with the words "uh-oh" did not end well. I believe I'm going to try and see. I'm going to take a look at this and see if I can repair it. These things are repairable in some cases. In other cases, it's a reprint. And I'm ready for that too. I've got 2 or 3 more of these things over here on the workbench in progress. This is a test cycle for Lewis, and that's what I intend to do. We'll test different things, see what works, see what doesn't. So far, this one is a winner. The flight, although short, and Nelson had some problems initially with my launch. The thing went vertical like a rocket. The little 2205 2400 kV motor with a 7-inch prop is way more than this needs. It's fine, and that's just a little cheap motor that you can get anywhere. They're used for quads, and it works just fine on here. The end result being you got more thrust than you know what to do with, and it works. So there you are. I'll be back after I can get this situation straightened out. We'll get another video, hopefully with an ending that doesn't go, uh-oh. Thanks for coming. See you later.